you don't press the thing. And then you start it, wait till it starts. And yeah, left it. And then when the game starts, you know, start it. When you whistle blow, it starts. You don't press it. Don't do nothing there, don't touch nothing there, don't there.
Thank you very much, second half, in control. It's the up, 2-0. The shooting from south to north. And the European Parliament shooting from north to south. During this one, Lily Garcia. Intercepted by Rock control. Shot fire! Go shot the goalkeeper says there. Corner kick. Second half, game one coming up next. One game left, we going up against Graveyard. Shooting out in favor of HD Hustler. Smart defender go to goalkeeper back to the right. That's his defender. Goalkeeper. They looking good. Okay, control today. Looking good, smart. Try to stay on the goalkeeper. Carrying that ball. Lily Garcia control it, looking good. Jenna, lose it, cut, right number 5, move back. Put the defender back to number 5, they looking to the bench, number 4. Yeah. Baby. That wheel goes around one. Yes, zero. It's Z. Looking good in the second line of the defender for you department. Yes, sir.
Right, come in now, round, spread out. We're going to pick up things again.
Round one. DC go right to Lily Garcia. Lily. Game one. Mina stop. Foul. HC3, uniform and nail. Second half, game one. Coming up next. Wabagari FC going up against Graveyard. Controlling ball. HC goes around and loses. Control. Do it. Sudah langsung dalam masa trying to find the 18 to play, but the man in the middle say outside.
Good creative.
It's the fire shot. Two goals to them. HC up. Youth Department trailing this one. Second half. Unofficially 11 minutes gone. Wayne Thompson control, put that one wide. Wide on the eastern touch. Controlling. Try goes around one but intercepted, taken away there. HD. Controlling. Try goes around one. Control. HD control. Smart play. Goes in the middle. Intercepted by Lawrence. Jenna. Smart play. Out. Foul. That's the youth department. Garcia control. Goes on the eastern touch. Hits the looking good. They're out. On the left hand, and it's kind of keep all in favor of Hummingbird. This one is high into the lane, there's no head out there by the defender. But the man in the middle is a goal. For the youth. Levy. Smart goes in the middle. Smart shot. Intercept there by the defender. But control. Goes wide on the eastern touch. But Benson Carter says, I'm here. Taking away here. Yes. Before we the man of mercy on. Jackson goes in the middle. Find your big. Your big. Control. Control. 34. Goes in the middle of the line. Put it down high. Right back throw. HC they control it looking good. Put that one in the middle. Roll. Clear ball. You cannot get that one. Really control. Number 7 ends that one out there behind 18. Defender for you. Put that one wide, no man's land. Benson having fun playing all road. Levy Garcia. Looking for the boxing it around. Benson Castro, change from BC. We controlling ball. BC, moving. Alone. Green and long game now in favor of HD up against Youth Environment Change. Good for you. Yeah. Mark, control, losing. Rock goes and find one more cat. Find the way, smart, the way. Coming up next game, the Tupac Rally FC against Graveyard Robbers. Jenna will put this one into play. Goes high. Going for number 7. Smart touch. Loses. Intercept Lily. Lily goes one smart. On 24, we're playing smart and looking good. Into the middle of Jenna. Around. We're looking for moves and getting that one. One for number 5. Easy, cool. Number 5 in control. 5. Trying to find the sounds and intercept. Loses Lily Garcia. Smart touch. It's the on the attack. Goes wide, fine. The big. Put that one in the laser. Don't find anyone. What a shot! What a shot, boo! That's 4-0. Pulling out in favor of HD. They are 4. Using Parker Street in the middle. The department in control. The way. By number 14 drop. Use it. The big. Control in the way number 4. The level goes right and find container. That's it. Then defending strong. Johnson find number 7. Losing stuff. I want one out of the field. Out of the field up top. It's a 2-4. Using Kwame. Smart, fast. You Garcia controlling ball. It's D. Garcia goes wide on the eastern touch. Goes around one. Then that's it, now 1-4. You go for it. Controlling smart play. Estella. Goalkeeper. Kara kick for HC. Kick. Unofficially 26 minutes into this one. Second half, game 1. 4-0. What I say, good save there by Then I put this one high. Going forward with the round and my son is just music. It's the control. We're going to find Lily Garcia Lily. Lily in control. Let's play smart number 34 controlling 4. This smart. Looking good. Amen. Do the number 5 controlling 4 you. Do the crown number 7 can do it for himself. Can you get on the scoreboard? Yeah. Number 4. Yeah. Yes, it's you looking good. They're playing it smart boxes around from left to right. We go down one. Mark up. Find the big. The big. We'll find this one into the door. 1-4 all controlling. Mark. They looking good at 0. Smart up. We'll put this one far high. Goal kick. Intercept Lily Garcia, controlling. HC. Looking good, no 24 goals in time. We make maybe back to 24. Yes, they're looking good. S0. Whoa! Timothy S0. 5-0. All in favor of HD. Hummingbird. But they are in favor of Hummingbird over youth empowerment. You look like they're giving up. And Hummingbird playing. They're playing smart. They're up. Game 2. Wabagari FC going up against Graveyard Norman. What a shot high. Hummingbird is free. Against 0. And that one trying to find the day. Defender playing smart, trying number 5. Number 5, going the wrong one, wrong side. Looking good. That's one into play. The big. Minus 0. Trying to find out. The control. Yes, smart play. The big. United. Travel around one shot. Manning himself the arm. Number 18 pass that one to Dwayne Sampson. Dwayne Sampson put that one high. Wide, find number 7. Alley. But the man in the middle said outside. Number 24. Put this one and go wide. Easy investment. Jungle Bag Drum Metal DJ1. The mayor and his councillor want to say good night. Hummingbird looking good goal to number 24. Wide. Find number 9. Number 9. Alalo. Flash up. Good kick. Smart. Yes, one touch. Estero. Trying to go around now. Estero. Controlling. Estero will put this one on 5. Was intercepted here by Brock. Brock to the side. Wide. Fine. That's Dwayne. Dwayne back wheel. Dwayne. Put it wide. High. Intercept. Good for number 5. Back to Sampson. Dwayne. Dwayne will string this one to number 5, but we'll keep on the pool that one now. Two man down. Yes, penalty for the youth. Let's see if youth can get on the scoreboard. Alright, we're talking about it's a penalty for the youth. Can they get on the scoreboard? Number 5 in charge of this one will do the honors. Go! 5-1. HD 5. Youth Empowerment 1. Second half, game 1, game 2 coming up next. Wabagari FC going up against the Graveyard Bombers. 16. Mockingbirds up 5. Music Parliament 1. Control. Now we go Join for the youth. Goalkeeper says up that one. Number 24 control. 24. They're looking good, they're playing smart. Really? Yeah, I'm going to want to string. And that's what they're going to defend now. Losers. Controlling ball. It's me. Yes, they're up 5-1. Timothy Sarah will put this one. Easy. Easy as 1, 2, 3. 6-1. All in favor of it's 6 goals to 1. Coming up next, Warrior on the FC against Graveyard Romans. Number 5 goes to the defender. Defender find drop, loses the big. Back to the base, Sarah, and Sarah will grab this one and try to run into the goal. 7 goals to 1. Seven goals to 1 out in favor of HD. Up against Youth Empowerment. The youth's not giving up, yes, they're still playing hard and soul strong. Cap. Fine. Drop right goal, the wrong one. Loses. And the man in the middle say forward. really. That one was related to a corner kick.
She win.
Yes, it's zero. That goes on. Smart. Good kick back of uniform.
Environment rules, man.
Cut this one away. Cut. On the road. Cut. Goes around one. Cut. Cut. Fire! The goalkeeper pulls that one down.
Good try, Cat. Cat must be stamping in here. Un gol de luz, bro. Kaya doon ako na kaya compact. Kaya compact rates.
You guys want to get that one high. Good for it. Number 7 from number 4. Control you. It's really looking good. Yeah. 7-1. Outside. In a minute, now, man in the middle. After official time, these Williams. Grass. The big. But we go there around the big control. Back to Timothy. Loses there. Smartly. Now, so in control for. Number 7 trying to find the win. To win. What a miss. To win misses that one. What a try. 7-1. Number 24 control. But the man in the middle detail William plays, that's it, game is over. 7 goals to 1, all in favor of HD. HD over Youth Empowerment. Coming up, game 2. The Wabagari FC going up against Graveyard Command. Royalty song, good to be, music, DJ.
You guys